Good morning, all of you.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning,
Good
sir.
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
Good
so
morning.
yesterday, okay, before I begin with the class, children, let us, I hope that you all are safe and you are just taking protective measures to protect yourself. So these practices on the screen are very important. So keep following it. And also, you have to look and aware people nearby you. I hope you all are realizing this situation. Okay, now let us begin with the class. So yesterday, children, what we have studied? Please tell what we have studied.
So printing automorphic numbers from 1
Automorphic
to
numbers
100.
between lower limit and upper limit and all. Okay.
Yes.
So children, do you know what are twin prime numbers? Twin prime. Two numbers are said to be twin prime if they are prime and their difference is 2. Suppose 3 and 5, 5 and 7. So now 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, these are twin prime pairs. So write a program to print all twin prime pairs from 1 to 100, between 1 to 100. So I request all of you, please try this question. All of you. Hurry up. Hello, Abhijay, Jayavardhan, Gaurav.
Yes, sir.
So will you try people or I should start
Sir, just give
explaining?
us 5 minutes, sir.
So just try. So uh, all the numbers, the pair in which both are the prime numbers and their difference is 2. So such numbers are twin prime. So you have to print all the twin prime pairs. So please try this. Yes, children. So please try. So how many loops will be? The loops will be, there will be 2 loops and one will be from for in fact 1 to 100, and we need to just count the factors, so there will be nested loops. So just you people have to write only the logic part, not the whole program. So I hope most of you are trying this. Yes, anybody has done? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir, doing.
Sir, doing.
Yes. Yes, anybody who has completed, please give the solution on in the chat box or at my WhatsApp number. Please post. Gaurav Srivastav, done or not?
No, sir, doing.
So do you have problems in this?
No, sir, I know the logic, but I'm just writing the code.
Children, here in this, there will be no scanner class because the values we already know, and the outer loop will be from the outer loop will be from 3. Why? Because 2 is a prime number, 3 is also a prime number, but the difference between these two is not 2, so that's why no need to start the loop from 2. So I have started the loop from 3 because the next value which I will be picking is 5. And the loop is up to 98 because if I add plus 2 in I, maximum it will here it will go up to 98, but I plus 2 will reach 100, so it means we are covering all the integers. That's why the loop is up to 98. So by definition, it is two numbers are said to be prime, twin prime if they are prime and their difference is 2. So children, here I have taken these two variables, and every time we need to initialize these variable by 0. And separately we have to count the factors. And here I'm just going to count the factors of I. So if I mod j is this, then f is equals to f plus 1. And here for int j is 1, j is less than or equals to I plus 2, j plus plus. And here if I plus 2 mod j is 0, then f1 is equals to f1 plus 1. If you people are confused, then you can start this loop using the variable k. And here it is k. This is fine. One more thing I will tell you in order to improve the efficiency of the code. So if f is 2 and f1 is 2, if both are 2, so here we can simply print the value of I, and here I plus 2. So this will print the twin prime pair here. Children, if I execute this part, you can see that these are the twin prime pairs: 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 15, 17, 19, 29, 31, 41, 43, and 59, 61. So again, I am just going to tell you the basic things in this program. First of all, we have to start the loop from 3, and it will go from 3 up to 98. Why not 2? I have explained, because 2 and 3 are prime, but the difference is not 2 between these two values. So no need to pick or start the loop from 2. So that's why I have started from 3. And two variables I have taken, f0, f1. And here, first of all, I'm just counting the factors of I at any moment of time. Suppose I is 3. Then at the same time here I'm counting the frequency, counting the factors of 5. So if both are prime, I'm just printing these two values. This is the basic logic. So how many of you have not understood this?
So could you do a dry run of the program?
What is the initial value of I, children? The initial value of I is 3. And when I is 3 here, what is the value of I plus 2? It is 5. So I hope you all know how to count the factors. Here I am counting the factors of 3. So this will go from 1 to 3. And counting the factors of 3 here. 3 is prime. And here I am counting the factors of 5. So 5 is also prime. So in both the cases, f is 2 and f1 is also 2. Since both the conditions are true, that's why I'm going to print this pair, which will be printed in this format. Now, Kavya, any other doubt?
No, sir. Thank you.
Anybody else is having problem in this code? Yes, please tell. Yuvraj Srivastav, Chandni Srivastav, Prakhar Tiwari. If anybody, if I am just calling the name, and if you people are not responding, then immediately leave the group. Janya Jaiswal.
Yes, sir.
But any doubt till now?
No. No, sir, no doubt.
Chandni,
No, sir.
Kushagra Tiwari. Okay. Now, one small thing which I want to tell you. Children, suppose at any moment of time, suppose I is prime. Suppose I is not prime. Suppose I is 6. 6 is not prime. Then no need to count the factors of 8 also. Because here if the value of I is 6, then here the value of I plus 2 will be 8. So why we are counting the factors of 6 and 8? When we know that 6 is not prime? Even if this is prime, suppose the pair is 7, 9. 7 is prime, but 9 is not prime. Okay. But if the pair is 9, 11, 9 is prime, no need to count the factors of 11 also. Why? Because this is the pair whose difference is 2, but both the numbers are not prime. Are you getting this, children, what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in that case,
Yes, sir.
in order to improve this code, what I want to tell you is that simply here you can write if f is not equals to 2, then continue. And what this continue does? What this continue does? What it will do? It will immediately send the control back to this loop incrementing the value of I. It is not going to check or count the factors of I plus 2. Suppose here the value of I is 9 and here we have realized that 9 is not a prime number. So immediately it will return back. It is not going to check 11. In a similar way, when the value of I becomes 10, so 10 is also not prime, immediately it will return. No need to check the factors of 12. When I becomes 11, here we are counting the factors of 11. 11 is a prime number, so definitely we will reach this place, we will count the factors of 13. So children, the same output will come, but this time the efficiency of the code has improved. You can see that the output is same, but definitely efficiency of the code is improved. So if you people have any doubt, any query, then you people can ask. Okay, now after this we are going to just go through few patterns, and here one of the pattern is this hash, and then it is dollar hash hash dollar hash. Children, this is the pattern. So before we are going to this pattern, this question, I'm just going to give you one more question which is very similar. Suppose it is starting from 1 and here it is starting from 0. It is starting from 0, it is starting from 1, and again it is starting, it is ending with 0. Then 1 0 1 0, and here it is 0 1 0 1 0. So children, this is the question. This is the question, and here In this second one, you have to input the value of n. Suppose the value of n is 5, then this output will come. If the value of n is something else, suppose 7, then 2 more lines will come. How to do this? So children, here I'm just going to this show you the pattern code. Just wait. So first of all, few things we have to remember. We need to take scanner class. This is n, and here enter limit. So we have entered this limit. We have to start this loop from 1. It will go up to 5n. And here this will start from I till it is greater than or equals to 1 and j minus minus. And here, if j mod 2 is 0, then it is displaying, you have to see from where it starts. It starts with, so print, and here you have to write 1. And else it is printing 0. And after that, you have to just change the line. Just go through this. Children, suppose the limit is 5, you can see that here the output is. So once it will start from 0, next time it will start from 1, and this is happening. So now, how many of you have understood this? So please tell me, how many of you have understood this? But if not, then please tell me not understood. Tanya Singh.
Yeah, understood.
Children, I'm just going to explain you. Please see that. Here I is 1. So when I is 1, j will also start from 1. So it means here it is 1 to 1 means it will go one time. And since j is 1, so 1 mod 2 is odd, so it will start from 0. So 0 has been printed. And after that, the value of j becomes 0. So this condition becomes false. Loop terminates and I becomes 2. When I becomes 2, j will go twice, initially for 2 and then for 1. So when j is 2, 2 mod 2 is 0, even. So 1 will get printed, and then j becomes 1, then 0 will get printed. And after that, the value of I becomes 3. So when 3, so this will start from 3. 3 mod 2 is again 0, and then ij becomes 2. It is even, so 1, and then again odd. Then loop terminates. This inner loop terminates, and after that, what happens? I becomes 4. When 4, then what? It is even, odd, even, and odd, and then finally this line comes. So if you people have still not understood, then please tell me. Class 9th. So please tell me, children, if not understood. Beta, please tell what happened. Children, please tell. Class 9th.
Sir, please explain it again.
Children, it is not good that I am continuously and repeatedly asking and you people are not responding. So
Sir,
please
please explain it
understand the
again.
situation. Yes. So I will explain definitely. That's why I'm asking. Okay. Children, here what happens? What is the initial value of I? But please, I'm asking. What is the initial
One.
value of y?
One.
Okay.
One.
So
So one.
when the
One.
initial value of I is 1, from where the loop will start? J loop. 1.
So one.
So when it will start from 1, okay. So 1 to 1 it will go. So only one time. And if it is going 1 to 1, what is the value of j? So if it is odd, then in case of odd, 0 will get printed. So first time 0 will get printed because 1 was odd. And then the value of j becomes 0, loop terminates, because 1 to 1 it will go and then it will decrement and the value becomes 0, loop terminates. Any problem till now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then the value, then this outer loop will get incremented. The outer loop becomes 2. When the outer loop becomes 2, what happens? This will start from 2 to 1. When the outer loop becomes 2, this will go from 2 to 1. But this time, j will start from even number. So when it is even, so this condition will be true. So it means 1 will get printed. And then j becomes 1 because decrementation is happening. So when it becomes odd, then again 0 will get printed here. And then j becomes minus 1, 0, loop terminates, I becomes 3. When I becomes 3, j will start from 3. So odd, even, odd. And then j becomes 4, I becomes 4. So even, odd, like that it is happening. Class 9th.
Yes, sir.
Understood or not?
Understood, sir.
So how many of you have not understood this code? Please tell me. I will explain it one more time. If not understood, please tell me. I will explain it one more time. Otherwise, I'm just going to show you one more question, which is the first one. Yes, Aviral Pandey. Aravir Singh. Beta Aditya Tiwari. Aditya. Beta, would you please switch on your video? Aditya. Understood or not, Aditya? Okay. So children, this is what now the first question says it is hash dollar hash dollar. So no issues. If you want to start from 0, you have to put hash here, and if you want to that dollar should follow it, you should place dollar here, and no change in the program now.
Okay, sir.
And you can see that here the limit is 5, so the output is this. It is starting with a hash symbol at the top, you can see that. And since total number of lines are 5, that's why this output is there. So I'm just posting this program on the GCR. So here you can see. Now children, there is a small change. This is the one way, and now there is another way of doing this question. And in that case, you have to start the loop from j loop from 1 and it will go up to hash, up to I. Last time I was just, the loop was going from I to 1. If here, if I plus j mod 2, if I plus j mod 2 is 0, if this is the case, then what? If I plus j mod 2 is this, it's very simple that we should start it with hash, and here it is printing dollar then. Children, exactly the same output will come this time also. You can see that here it is, okay, there is an issue where else part is missing, that's why. Now you can see that here it is suppose 5, so this output is coming. So just go through this code, why I have kept this condition I plus j. So children, initially the value of I is 1 and this j will also start from 1. So inside this block you can see that 1 plus 1 is even, that's why hash is printed. And first time when this hash got printed and this outer loop, I'm just talking about this inner loop will go only once first time. This inner loop will go only once first time. So what happens then? After that I becomes 2. So when this I becomes 2, what happens? This j will start from 1. So 2 plus 1 is odd this time. So next line will start from dollar. Next, when the value of I becomes 2, j will go from 1. So 2 plus I, which is 3, so odd means dollar will be there. You can see that. That's why it is. And again, since the value of I is 2, j will also go up to 2. So 2 plus 2, again it is even. So next time hash will come here. On the second line I'm talking about. And then the value of I becomes 3. So 3 plus 1 is again even. Then again it will start with hash. The third line will start with hash, dollar, and then again hash. So this is how the code is going. So children, there are two methods. In the examination, you can use any of the method. So I hope you people have understood. And if not, then please tell. Class 9th.
Understood, sir.
Sir, I've understood.
Okay, so any problem with these codes? So children, this time, so children, term 3 second assessment starts from which date?
Sir, I think 20th.
Yes?
We don't know.
Okay. Okay, now it is already 11:38, so I'm just posting you the Google Form link so that you people can mark your attendance. So all of you can mark your attendance. I'm posting the link in the chat box. So after posting the attendance, you may leave. But if you have any query, you can stay and you can ask. So please ask if you have any doubt.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, beta.
Thank you, sir, for today's class.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, beta. Welcome. God bless all of you. Thank you.